Presenting Motovolt KIVO Easy. Here, we will show you how to unbox the KIVO Easy electric cycle. Cut the straps and open the box. Remove the adhesive tape and the bubble wrap carefully from the cycle. You will get the instruction manual for the paddle and handle fixing process along with the tools, 2 numbers Allen keys and 1 open head spanner. Inside the box, you will get all the parts shown here. Unpack the cycle, battery lock key, paddles and charger. Paddles are marked with the symbol R and L, which means the R for right side paddle and L means left side paddle. While installation of the paddle, once the full screw thread is gone inside the paddle, ensure to tighten with the open head spanner. The handle will be kept in align with the cycle frame. Use 5 mm Allen key to tighten the handle screw. Both screws must be tightened properly and checked for tightness of the handlebar. The display is faced downwards, which needs to be brought up to the position of rider's view. Tighten the screws below the display with the 3 mm Allen key diagonally for better hold of the screws. To take off the battery below the seat, look for the blue head lever. Pull and simultaneously uplift the seat to unlock. Pull the battery up from the case for removing the battery. While inserting the battery, check for the case alignment and insert the battery. And also, push the battery gently from the top to get connectivity of power. Lock the battery. Switch on power behind the battery and check for the display. Move throttle anti-clockwise to move cycle or paddle. Paddle assist mode will be activated once paddling is done. You can switch modes from eco to power with one single press. While driving at desired speed constantly, press C button once to activate cruise mode where the throttling is not required. Press brake to stop cycle. Press the yellow button for horn. To switch on headlight, push up the switch on the left side of the handle and move indicator switch left and right for turn indication. Use Allen key 5 mm to tighten the adjustable brake pad to the desired tightness where the wheels are moving freely. Also check freeness of wheel movement. For charging the battery, pull out the charger cover and gently insert the power jack into the cycle. Plug the 3-pin socket and switch it on and check for the red light to glow as an indication of charging. Don't remove till the charger light is turned to green. Now you're ready to go electric!